Hola mi gente and welcome back to another episode of Sticky Counters. Today we're going to be making a simple 3-ingredient cocktail for you at home so you can recreate it with your loved ones. It is a take on a bubbly drink, I guess? I don't know. It's just really good. It's going to be Blackberry with some Prosecco. So super delicious and super easy. So, some things that you need for this is actually fresh blackberries, but also you need a liqueur, which is a Creme De Mure. I'm utilizing Combier. Again, if I mispronounce it, I do apologize because it is French, so I don't have that accent. But Combier Creme De Mure, super delicious. This is gonna add that sweetness to it because the blackberries actually have some acidity to it, so now that is going to be a perfect balance of acidity with sweetness. But we do have to add a little extra acidity from the lemon to kind of just bring it all together. So, first ingredient, like I always say, you always want to start with the least expensive ingredient when you're making this cocktail. And I got my lemons for sale. So, we're going to be putting a 1/4 ounce of fresh lemon juice right into our tin. Now, we're going to be doing let's say 3 blackberries. They're decent size. The cool thing about the blackberries is that you don't need to muddle them. Why? Because they're so soft. So when you add the ice and you add some more liquid on top, when you shake it, they're just gonna break apart. You can get that beautiful color. So it's gonna be just perfect. Now we're gonna do a 3/4 ounce of the Creme De Mure Combier. And now we're gonna just grab some ice, and you don't need a lot of ice because you don't need too much dilution for this one. We just wanted to get it a little bit cold. So I'm just putting about like 5 ice cubes in there. We're gonna grab the top, hit it 2 times because we wanna lock it in. We don't want this thing to explode on us. So boom, boom, flip it over, do a little dance and shake it up. All right, now we crack this open and look at the color. I mean, it's purple, it's beautiful. Now we're just gonna grab our nice coupe glass. Thank you, Cocktail Kingdom, just putting it out there. And we're just going to double strain this. Now, the reason I'm double straining this is because we don't want any of those, the particles from the blackberries or the ice chips or any of that. We just want a nice, clean, crisp cocktail. So this is just really going to help. Now that we strained everything into this coupe glass, we're gonna grab our champagne or Prosecco. I mean, it's been a long day, I apologize everybody. But now we're gonna just grab this open, crack it open, I don't know, just open it, okay? And now we're just gonna put it right on top. It's about 4 ounces. So just make sure that you don't overflow. And now the garnish. What does a garnish do? If you saw a previous episode, I told you what it does, and I'm just gonna repeat it again. It really elevates the flavor profile of the cocktail, it enhances all those flavors, and it also makes it look pretty. So what we're doing here is we're gonna do a horse neck of a lemon peel. So I have this channel knife, and all we're gonna do is just go around like this. And I don't know if you're able to see, but the oils, the aromatics, and everything that's coming out of this is just freaking phenomenal. I wish I could just bottle it in a perfume bottle. It is just ridiculous. So, also, you have this yellow color, you have the purple color. The contrast is just killer. And now, we're just gonna go boom, boom, boom. Throw it right on top. And there you have it, I don't know what to call it. You know what? I'm not gonna name this cocktail. How about you leave a comment below and let me know what to name this cocktail. Again, you have fresh blackberries, you have Combier Mure liqueur, and you have some bubbles. So leave a comment, let me know what should I call this, and we'll see if we put it up. All right? Cheers, everybody. Oh man, easy, refreshing, delicious. Ciao.